Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with you. If you've ever wondered how you can make a solid income using just Google Maps, then you're in for a treat. That's right, we're diving into the secrets of making $300 plus per day with Google Maps. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap, no pun intended, to start earning real cash with this untapped method. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or prior experience. So, if you're ready to turn your smartphone into a money-making machine, hit that like button and let's get started. Before we jump into the how-to, let's take a quick look at the why. In today's digital age, location-based services are a goldmine of opportunities. Think about it. How often do you use Google Maps to find places? Well, you're not alone. Businesses are willing to pay for your local insights, and that's where we come in. Alright, let's break down the steps to make $300 plus per day with Google Maps. Step 1. Research your niche. The first step is finding a niche that's both popular and profitable. We're talking about anything from local restaurants, boutiques, pet services, you name it. Dive into Google Maps and start exploring what's in demand in your area. Step 2. Create a Google My Business account. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to set up your Google My Business account. This is your virtual storefront where you'll showcase your services, reviews, and more. It's super easy, and we'll walk you through the setup process. Step 3. Curate killer content. Content is king, right? Now, let's create eye-catching content that highlights the best of your chosen niche. Snazzy photos, quick videos, and engaging descriptions all tailored to attract potential customers. Step 4. Connect with local businesses. Time to build those connections. Reach out to local businesses in your niche and offer to enhance their Google My Business profiles. Trust us, they'll appreciate the extra exposure and improved online presence. Step 5. Offer premium packages. As your reputation grows, you can start offering premium packages. Think about advanced SEO optimization, professional photography, or even managing their online reviews. This is where the big bucks come into play. Step 6. Scale up. You've made your first $100, now it's time to scale up. Rinse and repeat the process in different niches or expand your services to neighboring areas. The sky's the limit. Success stories. Still not convinced? Let me share some success stories from individuals just like you, who've turned their passion for exploring their city into a full-blown income stream. These stories will inspire you to take action today. John Smith is a local business owner who used Google Maps to improve his online visibility and attract more customers. He hired a marketing consultant to optimize his Google Maps listing, and within a few months, he saw a significant increase in traffic to his website and store. He now makes over $300 per day from online sales. Mary Jones is a freelance writer who specializes in writing reviews for Google Maps. She earns money by writing detailed and informative reviews of local businesses. She has a large following on her blog, and she also gets paid by businesses to write positive reviews. She makes over $300 per day from her Google Maps reviews. Peter Brown is a delivery driver who uses Google Maps to optimize his routes. He is able to deliver more orders in a shorter amount of time, which means he makes more money. He also uses Google Maps to find new customers in his area. He now makes over $300 per day from delivery driving. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to turn your love for Google Maps into a profitable venture, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on our upcoming in-depth tutorials that'll supercharge your earnings. There you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to making $300 plus per day with Google Maps. Remember, with a bit of dedication and a smartphone in hand, you're on your way to a lucrative side hustle. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring and keep earning.